Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to add logo in Zoho Invoice. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open your preferred browser and you want to go to Zoho Invoice. And once you're here, you want to make sure that you're signed in to your Zoho account. And after that, you want to click on Access a Zoho Invoice. And once you're here, you want to go ahead and navigate to the settings, which you'll be able to find over here at the top right. Then you want to click on Organization Profile, and immediately you'll be able to see Upload your organization logo. So you want to click on that and upload the logo, but you want to make sure that you're following the technical requirements. The preferred image dimensions, the supported files are JPG, JPEG, PNG, GIF, and BMP, and the maximum file size should only be 1 MB or below. So let's click on that, and I'm going to upload my logo. And once you've uploaded your logo, just click on Save over here at the bottom, and that's it. Thanks for watching.